if you're selling your house, why would you need to run a title search before you sell the house? This is Dave at titlesearch.com. Even before you call a realtor or real estate agent, getting a title search that you can look at may help understand what that buyer is going to be looking at when they put an offer on your house. If you run that title search before you call a realtor, you can fix anything that might skew that realtor's opinion of the house or your financial circumstances. Look, if there's a small lien on the house from, let's say, an unpaid contractor or some other financial distress, when you call a realtor and ask them how much to sell the house for, they might look at that as an opportunity to try to come in with a lower number, because the lower number gets the house sold faster, and that's what they're looking for. You would think that a realtor wants the highest price because they get commission, but in many cases, they want to have a lower price because that gets that sale to happen faster, and their net 2 or 3% difference on a few thousand is not going to make that much difference to them, but the other 98% is what goes in your pocket, so you want to have that price as high as possible. So making sure you understand what that realtor is going to look at for a title search and what the buyers are going to look at for a title search is really important, because if there's something on there that might be a tax lien or some other type of maybe financial encumbrance, when the buyers do their contract, they, in many cases, will have the opportunity to withdraw from that contract once they see the title. And if that's the case, something that's scary might make them run, because there's a lot of houses out there for sale and buyers have options. So you want to make sure that your house looks as good financially as it does physically. So run a title search before you call a realtor. Make sure you understand what the records are, and make sure you also know how your title is established, so you know who needs to show up at a closing, whether it's you, if there's somebody else on the deed, maybe there's somebody else on a mortgage that hasn't been signed off properly. Knowing these things before you sell can help you get the most for your house. If you have more questions about running a title search on real estate, you can reach us at our website at titlesearch.com.